Good evening, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is urging Democratic lawmakers to pass a new spending bill before thousands of Americans fall into poverty. A new stimulus check will be sent out next week. Friends, please do remember to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
And the way they got that number is they took 17 new programs that would be created by Build Back Better, and they sunsetted the programs 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. If you believe these programs go away after 1, 2, or 3 years, you shouldn't have a driver's license. Ronald Reagan said the closest thing to immortality on earth is a government program. We all know that the child tax credits are not going to go away after a year. But if I'm wrong, I'd like a letter from Senator Schumer in the Democratic conference saying they're okay with these programs terminating in 1 year or 2 years. The reason they put a sunset on the program is to lower the cost. It's a budget gimmick. And here's what Senator Manchin said: "What I see are shell games and budget gimmicks that make the real cost of this so-called $1.7 trillion bill estimated to be twice as high if the programs are extended or made permanent." Joe said that November the 1st, 2021. What did I do? I asked the Congressional Budget Office to give a score on Build Back Better, assuming the programs don't go away, they stay in place for 10 years, which is reality. That is the reality of Washington. These programs will not sunset. They will continue for a 10-year period. And here is what we got.
President Biden has weighed in on the Department of Labor reports that shows that the Consumer Price Index, which measures the prices that consumers pay for a market basket of everyday goods and services, climbed at its fastest rate in nearly 40 years. Biden had told reporters it matters to people when you're paying more for gas. Although in some states, we've got the price down below $3 a gallon. But the point is, it's not gone down quickly enough, but I think it will. The White House acknowledged that Americans' wallets are taking a big hit, but that the increased prices will not last forever. The Biden administration also used the new numbers as an opportunity to tout the Build Back Better social spending plan, which they say will ease the financial squeeze that many are facing, despite good signs from other economic indicators. But amid higher prices, the president pointed to his social spending agenda as a way to bring down the cost of child care and many other expenses. So when asked how he planned to get holdout Senator Joe Manchin on board, given his concerns over inflation, Biden stated he would be speaking with the senator early next week, but once again stressed his plan would help combat rising prices, not add to them. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi has also predicted that both chambers of Congress will pass a $2 trillion expansion of social benefits and climate programs, which is a massive package at the heart of President Biden's domestic agenda. Pelosi stated that it will be passed before Christmas. Pelosi had told reporters in the Capitol, "We feel confident about what it is in the Build Back Better. We know what some possibilities are, and it would be my hope that we would have this bill done before Christmas vacation." So friends, do you think that our lawmakers will be able to pass the bill before Christmas Day? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is blizzard. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Also, please comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. The American Rescue Plan authorized a lot of money to be sent to the American people in various ways. So when President Biden signed the bill into law in March 2021, $1,400 payments were sent directly to most Americans. The bill also delivered money to people who were suffering from the economic effects of this crisis in many other ways. One of the things the bill did was to expand the federal child tax credit and make the first half of the credit payable directly to families. As of right now, the payment coming on December 15th is the last check that families will receive. Families will receive a direct deposit or a check for each child. The amount will depend on how old the child is and how much money that you earn. Some parents will get $300 for each child under the age of 6 and $250 for each child between the ages of 6 and 17 years old. There are also limits as to who gets the money. Individuals earning $75,000 or less, or married couples filing jointly who earn $150,000 or less will get the full amount. The total amount of the tax credit is $3,600 for children under the age of 6 and $3,000 for children aged 6 to 17. When this payment arrives, parents will have received exactly half of that amount. The second half of the expanded child tax credit will be coming when you file your taxes in 2022. Individuals who do not normally file a tax return are still eligible to receive this tax credit. It may be too late to get a payment in December, but they can get the full amount by notifying the Internal Revenue Service next year if they do qualify. Some people will be receiving the full first half of the credit when the money comes next week. Families who had not been receiving the payments for the previous 5 months, but who chose and qualified for the December payment, will receive the money all at once. So in order to receive the payment from the previous months, parents would have had to notify the Internal Revenue Service by November 15th. The future of these payments is still up in the air. The Build Back Better plan proposed by Biden is stuck in Congress right now. The president wanted the expanded child tax credit to be extended for at least 1 more year. So friends, do you think that the expanded child tax credit should be extended for 1 more year? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Saturday evening. I truly and greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos every day. To say thank you, I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Friday. If you would like to enter the giveaway, please click and like my videos. Make sure that you comment below the keyword from each video that you watch. And also please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. The 3 winners of this week's Walmart gift card giveaway are Coretta Bagwell, Joy Clark, and Candy Evans. Congratulations to all 3 of you. Thank you so very much, friends. And I hope all of you have a very, very blessed Saturday.